Hello everyone. Namaskar. Hi. Namaskar everyone. How are you all? How are you all? Fine, thank you. I hope everyone's safe and healthy at your home. So, have you finished your breakfast? ब्रेक में आपको 10 o'clock आपको ब्रेक मिलती है ना 10:15 को, तब आप लोगों ने आपका नाश्ता फिनिश किया? Have you finished your breakfast? Yes. Okay, thank you. So first of all, let's start our today's session by pray to God, everyone. Okay, join your hands, close your eyes. Everyone, you should be close your eyes, sit straight. Om Bhurbhuvah Svah Tatsaviturbharenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms fast and put them on your eyes. Apply on your face. And slowly open your eyes. How to feel, everyone? Hello Sampurna, how to feel? You feel fresh? You feel fresh or not? Arna, Bhavya, Dharmik, Dhyan Trambatiya, Divyanshu, Ashili, Man, Maya. Are you feel fresh, everyone? Show me your hands. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, let's today one little bit exercise. Okay, जो मैं नंबर बोलूँ उसके हिसाब से आप लोगों को क्लैप करनी है. So are you all ready for new exercise? Yes. Chalo. Now you have to clap one clap. Now three times clap. 1, 2, 3. Only 3, huh? Now 6 times clap. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now ये आप again आ गए इसमें. ये you already better attend in the morning by myself. ये आपने morning में क्लास अटेंड कर लिया था बच्चा. Okay, now 2 times. 1, 2. अरे कौन मैडम के? Now 8 times. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Clap for yourself, everyone. Yes, very good. So first, welcome to you all our math session. Hi. Okay, everyone. First, I have to take your attendance. And you have to mention in the chat box, yes, ma'am. Bhavya and Dharmik bola diya. Dhyan Trambatiya. Should be say yes, ma'am. Otherwise, you put in the your attendance in the chat box. Divyanshu Pradhan. Harshini, Heli, Shaivir Singh, Cherish, Kasundraman, thank you, Maya, Iksa, Param, Sampurna, Shreya, and Shutanvi. Anyone remaining in the attendance? कोई भी बच्चा बाकी है? No? Okay. Let us start our today's session. Okay, ma'am. Dharmik present. Thank you, ma'am. Hattie, yes ma'am, I took the attendance of Hattie. Okay everyone. First we do small activity. Please be ready with your, yes, smile. परम स्माइल कर दीजिए. Beautiful smile. Yes, and fresh smile. Right everyone, thank you. Thank you everyone. So, yes sir, turn off your camera everyone. बच्चा, turn off your camera. Thank you parents. परम बेटा, turn off your camera. कैमरा ऑफ कर दीजिए बेटा. Thank you. What did we learn yesterday? What did we learn yesterday?
कौन सा नंबर पढ़ा?
What did we learn yesterday? Which number we have to learn? 51 to 80. 51 to 80. Right. So let's see one activity for the numbers with the abacus. Okay. Yesterday we show on this abacus how many beads in first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. In the first row there are 10 beads. How many beads? 10 beads. It means this is a one bunch of 10. Right? This is a one bunch of 10. Right? Let's see another line. Okay, this is a 110. This is a 110. Let's see another line. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is two bunch of tens. This is two tens. Two tens yani 20. This is two tens. Two tens yani 20. Likewise, this is, yes, three tens. Three tens. Three tens yani 30. Three tens yani 30. Three tens, 0 ones make 30. And after the 30, 40. Yani 4 tens. After the 40, 5 tens. After the 40, 5 tens. Yani 50. After the 40, yes, we get here 5 tens. Yani 50 number. And this is one more bunch of tens. Right? So we get here 60. After the 60, 70, right? 70. Yani now we get here, yes, 70 beads. 70 beads. Yani 7 1. 7 1. Right. After the 70, can anyone tell me? Yes? 80, right? So now I'll add here one more 10, right? So we get here 80. We get here 80, right? Okay. So after the 80, yes. After the 80, yes. 81, right? 81, right? Because today we first, yes, read 81, right? 81, 82, 83, 84, right? Now after the 84, which number will come? After the 84, yes, because now we have 8 tens, and for the 85 number, we add 5 tens, 5 tens. So we get 85 number. We get number 85. After the 85, Which number will come? Tell me, tell me. Yes. 86. Thank you, Sampurna, Jairis, Divyanshu, Arshili, Sampurna, Man. Thank you, parents, for your comment. Jairis. Okay. 86, 87, 88, 89. And after the 89? After the 89? Yes? 90. 90. It means 9 tens. 9 tens. Yani 90 number. We get here 90 things. 90 bit. Okay? After the 90, yes? Which number will come? 91. 92. 19. 2 ones. Max number 92. 19. 3 ones. Max number 93. 19. 4 ones. Max number 94. 95, 96, 97, 98. After the 98, which number will come? Yes? 99. Yes, very good actually. Man, very good. Good job. Everyone, thank you. And after the 99, 99. And I already told in the explanation video, 99 number is the biggest number from 2-digit series. And after the 99, yes, 100. 100, right? Thank you, 100. 100 yani in the 3-digit number, right? And 100 is the smallest number from the 3-digit number. यानी जो 3-digit का number होता है ना, उसमें smallest number है 100, right? 10 10, 0 1, max number 100, right? Just I'll give one example. 100 के अंदर आप 1 number add करो, right? 1 1 add करो, so we get 101. So यानी हम लोगों को बड़ा number मिल गया, but 100 is the smallest number from the 3-digit number. Okay, so I hope you understood 1 200 with tens and ones, right? With tens and ones. Any query? Parents, any query regarding this topic? Any query, parents? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Let us move on our class work. Thank you, parents. Please, any doubt, any of the topics, right? You can call me in the between 5 to 7, please, without any hesitation. Okay, thank you. So, for the class work, this is our workbook, pick a book, Maths Magic writing book. Okay, and take out page number 14. Take out page number 14. Right. So, first of all, what we will do for the writing? So, be ready with your, yes, beautiful smile and fresh mind, and ready with eraser and pencil, and also your workbook. Okay. So first we mention on the top CW. After the mention, yes, thank you. After the mention, today's date. Yesterday was 7, right? After the 7, which number will come? After the 7, which number will come? Yes, 8, right? After the 7, 8. So, thank you, Sampurna. So, today's 8 June 2021. 2021. Okay? And after the mentioned day, month and year, we have to mention here also today's day. Which day is today? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. And for their information, we have to mention the here. Thank you. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Okay. So, ready everyone for the today's class work? Yes or no? Where is my little learner? Where is my remaining little learner जिसका मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट नहीं मिल रहा है? रेडी हो या नहीं हो तो मैम आगे जाए, राइट? आर यू रेडी फॉर द टुडेज क्लास वर्क एवरीवन? यस, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू दिव्यांशु, हैती, संपूर्णा, हर्षिली, श्रेया, थैंक यू. वेर इज माहिया? जेरिस, थैंक यू बेटा. वेर इज माहिया एंड ध्यान त्रांबड़िया, ध्यान त्रांबड़िया, ध्यान, जयवीर सिंह, मोक्षा, नेश्रा, परम. आई वॉन्ट कमेंट फ्रॉम योर साइड ऑल्सो, राइट बेटा, ताकि मैम को पता चलेगा ना कि मेरे बच्चे को आया है कि नहीं आया है. ओके, सो लेट अस फर्स्ट रीड 81, thank you. 82, after the 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and after the 89, yes, 90, 19, 01, max number 90. Let us trace this line. First of all, mention here tens and ones, and after the mention tens and one, let us start the writing. Eighteen, one ones, max 82. 18s to ones, make number 82. After the 82, डन एवरीवन. आप मेरे साथ कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो? Are you all do with me or not? मेरे साथ कर रहे हो बेटा? थैंक यू. लेट अस कंटिन्यू. थैंक यू एवरीवन. Thank you, बच्चा. Yes. Okay, after the 82, 83. After 83, 84. After 84, 85. After the 85, 86. After the 86, 87. After the 87, 88. 89. After the 89, Arna, beta, turn off your camera, and Arna, I want your comment, okay, in the chat box. I want your comment also, okay बेटा, ताकि मैम को पता चले कि आपको कहीं पर भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. And beta, will you please turn off your camera, beta? Thank you. And after the 89, yes, 90, 19, 01, max number 90. Let's write next line. We have to start from the pink dots. 81, 18, 1 ones, max number 81. After the 81, 82, 83. After the 83, 84. After the 84, 8 tens, 5 ones, max number 85. 8 tens, 6 ones, max number 86. 87. After the 87, 88. After the 88, 8 tens, 9 ones, max number 89. And after the 89, which number will come? Yes? 9 tens, 0 ones, max. Yes, Asili, thank you. 90. 19, 0 1, max number 90. Okay everyone, so this 2 line for your classwork and this 2 line for your homework, and classwork you should be done every day with me, and homework with done your parents. Let's move our next page, page number 15. Page number 15. In this page, first of all, on the top we have to mention CW, today's date, yes, month and year. Which year is going on? 2021. 2000. Thank you. 21. After the mention day, month and year, we have to mention here today's day. Which day is today? Tuesday. Okay. In this page, we have to get at the last 3-digit number. At the last 3-digit number, so we have to put it here, place of 100, place of 10, in place of 1. Right? At the last, we have to get, yes, three digits. Okay, let's read. 9 tens, 1 ones, max number 91. Right? 9 tens, 2 ones, max number 92. Okay, after the 92, now I have 90 bits. Now I have 90 bits, and we have, yes, 90 number. Right? And now after the 92, now how many tens we have to add? So we get the number 93. मेरे पास 92 नंबर है, 92 बिट्स है, उसमें मैं कितना बिट्स ऐड करूं ताकि मुझे 93 नंबर मिल जाए, 93 थिंग्स मिल जाए. After the 92, after the 92 beta, yes, 1, we have to add one more for the 93. Thank you Dibyanshu, Man, Kasundra Man, Hattie, Jairis, Jaivirshi, thank you, Sampurna, thank you everyone. Good job for you people, because you all are good children and intelligent children, right? आपको देखो सब आ गया ना. वैसे ही आप एवरीडे सारे सब्जेक्ट में अच्छे से ध्यान दोगे तो आपको अच्छे से सब आ जाएगा. राइट? सो नाउ वी हैव टू गेट 9 tens, 3 ones, max number 93. राइट? सो आफ्टर द 93, 94. After the 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and after the 99, yes, 100. So we have to mention the year tens of the place of the 101. Here is the 0 and place of the 1, 0 ones, right? So 10 tens, 0 ones, max number 100. Let us write, let us trace. Thank you everyone. So first we trace the number 91. 9 tens, 1 ones, max number 91. 9 tens, 2 ones, max number 92. 9 tens, 3 ones, max number 93. 9 tens, 4 ones, max number 94. Moksha, write down with me beta. Moksha, what are you doing there? Beta, you should be do your class work with me. Show me your book. Show me your workbook, Moksha. And complete your complete line of the 81. Show me your book. And now you have to do, yes, now you have to do line of the 91. बेटा अभी हम 91 की लाइन में आ गए हैं. चलो start with me. Fast बेटा. 91 बच्चा. ओके डन बिफोर मी. ओ बेटा आप देखो, आप है ना मैम के साथ ही करोगे. ओके वेरी गुड, गुड जॉब. क्लैप फॉर मोक्षा एवरीवन, क्लैप फॉर मोक्षा. बेटा आपसे आप मेरे साथ ही करोगे. ओके ताकि आपको आ जाए. ओके 9 10 5 1 max number 95. After the 95 96. After the 96 97. After the 97 98. After the 98 99. 99 मतलब 9 10s 9 1s max number 99. After the 99 yes 100. यानी after the 99 we get 3 digit number 1 यानी 1 1 यानी 10 10s 0 1s max number 100. So that's why we have to put it here. Moksha turn off your camera बच्चा. Moksha turn off your camera beta. Thank you. So that's why we have to mention here place of the 100 H. H यानी 100, P यानी 10, O यानी 1. Okay 100. So now 99 is the biggest number from the 2 digit number series, right? And 100 is the smallest numbers from the 3 digit number, right? मैंने अभी आपको बोला ही था, right? So place of the 100 we have to trace 1, place of the 10 0 and place of the 1 0. Let's write this line. 9 10 1 1 max number 91. After the 91 92. After the 92 93. After the 93 94. After the 94 95. After the 95 9 10 6 1 max number 96. After the 96 9 10 7 1 max number 97. After the 97 98 and after the 99 double 9. देखो यहाँ पे 2 9 आ गया, right? Both are similar number. 9 10 9 1 max number 99, right? And after the 99 which number will come? Yes 100. Thank you Nashra. Thank you Dibyanshu. So here I'll write here. Thank you man. 100. 10 10 0 1 max number 100. Max number 100. Any doubt from 1 to 100 number? Parents, any doubt from the number 1 to 100? Please write down in your chat box. किसी को भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो प्लीज मुझे बता सकते हो, अदरवाइज आप कॉल भी कर सकते हो. डोंट हेजिटेट फॉर द एनीथिंग. ओके डन एवरीवन? डन. And remaining 2 lines for your homework. This page number 14, 2 line for your class work, and remaining 2 line for your homework. Page number on the 15, 2 line for your class work and 2 line for your homework. Okay everyone? I hope. Did you finish your today's class work? Show me your book everyone. Show me your book.
पूरा बंद.
Happy Parshania, Mahiya. Wow, Jerry. Very good beta. Happy, show me your workbook bachcha. Show me your PDF. Yes, thank you Dhyan. Dhyan Trambadiya. Jerry is very good. Happy Parshania. Hi beta. Happy, show me your book. Arna. Yes Arna, very good. Yes Jerry. Thank you Arna. Happy, where are you roaming here and there? Yes, thank you, Hattie. Thank you, beta. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Arna. Very good, beta. Where is Mahia? Where is Mahia? Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Neshra's parents. Thank you, ma'am. Where is the remaining students? Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Eat healthy, stay home, stay happy, keep exercise, do exercise, and we will meet tomorrow with new activity and new exercise. Okay, love you all. Miss you. Bye. Namaskar. Have a nice day. Thank you. Namaskar. Bye bye.
Bye,
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 बच्चा.